Okay, guys. So this is AUD USD. Let me make my chart to be big. So AUD USD. This is AUD USD on the monthly time frame. You can see that I don't want to make this video to be long. So, but we just have series of lower lows, and we just have a change of what? A change of character on the monthly frame. Now, since we've gotten the change of character, right, we know that okay, we are aiming at what? This obvious resistance right there. So now, how can we get entry to this what? Our resistance we could see here. Now on the weekly, we discovered that the weekly is also what? Aligning with what? Aligning with the monthly, right? We could see high, low, and a higher high on the weekly. Then now we want to also check what is actually happening on the daily time frame, because we cannot trade what these time frames. Now on the daily time frame, this is what we have here. Now we've seen that okay, this was a change of market structure from the monthly. So now the rule says that whenever a zone is being taken out, it becomes what? A support. Now this is the support we have here. Now we want to what? Get what? Our entry. How can we get our entry what on this trade is another thing. Now we've seen that on the daily we've gotten this high, we've gotten this low, we've gotten a higher high, right? Market has what? Giving us a structure right there. So the next thing to do is what? I'm going to move what? This my bar to this what? Obvious area, because that's the next high we have, or that's the recent high we have right there. So I'm going to put that bar there. Now what I want to see next week, I'll either wait for price to pull back what into this area here before we kick off, right? I want to see price into this area before we kick off, or I want to see price come back into what? This will be my first area of interest. Why we target that this obvious high right here. So this will be what? My second TP on this trade. Then for a sell bias, I will only be interested in selling if the sellers are able to what? To take out what? This level right here, right? Once we take out this support, we pull back what? A push up back. Let me we break out this level, right? A pushback. Then I want to what? Target what? This obvious resistance. I will also what? See here. So AUD USD, this is my analysis going into what? Next week. I am what? Bullish what? Minded. I'll either wait for price to come into what? This level. Some people will say, why didn't you use this level? This I don't want to use this level because one, there is something I discovered here, right? We could see that though this would have been my first level of interest for a buy, but you could see that the high we have here was not too strong. So I think we might have a deeper pullback into what? Into this region. Now for the sell, let me give maybe a sell scenario on this level. Now on the sell, on the H4 here, we're having high, low, higher, low, and what? A higher high. This was the last high we had here. So we saw this what? We saw this pullback, right? We pushed up again, equal highs, and we know price action chart pattern rather, which states this is a double top and this is the neckline of the double top. The double top has been what? Been taken out. Now this double top we also have here, we see that market has taken out what this very low we had here. Now if we got a push up back into what this region, I will draw this other block here on the page 4. We have, I could see this other block right there, so I will just map it out. Now the whole trend is was super bullish. I'm not interested in the sell, but I'm just saying for scalpers or people who scalp trade, yes, you can want to take what a short trade from what from this level, and your stop should not should just be a little bit above of that high. Then you want to target what this obvious level I could see here. So AUD USD, right? You might want to take a sell, a short, but I don't counter trend because the whole trend is what super bullish, right? This level here, the reason why I'm not taking trade is despite being the fact that I'm a price action trader, and these are confirmation. If you know how to read price action, you know that okay, this is a doji candle right here, and the rule of the doji candle states that once the candle close, and this is on H4, you put what either an instant execution, or you put a what a buy stop. Now a buy stop, you are saying that okay, the market keep on going higher, it's going to what trigger you. But to me, I don't want to trade what this level. I would prefer price to what to come back into this what this major area of what support for me to what trade and get the confirmation from there before I trade. So this is this is my bias on AUD USD going into what next week.